This episode of Wisdom from the Porch with GP is brought to you by Cloud Microphones. For top-notch sound quality, trust their ribbon microphones and Cloud Lifter mic activators. Whether you're in a professional studio or recording at home, Cloud Microphones deliver pristine audio every time. Visit cloudmicrophones.com and experience the difference. Look for me there and join the ribbon revolution. Hey, happy Labor Day. You ever find yourself lying awake at night, tossing and turning while your mind races through thoughts of the day? We've all been there, right? But what if I told you that a few simple changes could transform your nights from restless to restful? Let's dive into some game-changing tips to help you slay your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Welcome to Wisdom from the Porch with GP, a heartfelt podcast dealing with themes of personal growth, resilience, and kindness, providing you with practical wisdom and a sense of community. So come on, join me on the porch. Sleep is one of the foundations of our well-being. It affects everything from our mood to our productivity to our overall health. Yet in a fast-paced world, it's often the first thing we sacrifice. I know I used to. But here's the truth. Quality sleep is non-negotiable if you want to show up as your best self. One of the most effective ways to improve your sleep is by establishing a consistent bedtime routine. Think of it as winding down your body and mind. Start by dimming the lights an hour before bed, turning off screens, and engaging in a relaxing activity like reading or listening to calming music like my debut album, Jazzish, now playing everywhere. Your body needs to know that it's time to switch gears from day to night. The challenge is that modern life doesn't always make it easy to get the sleep we need. With endless to-do lists, late-night screen time, and stressors that keep our minds buzzing, it can be hard to shut down and drift off. You might find yourself lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, wondering why sleep is so elusive. How do we overcome these barriers and create an environment that truly supports restful sleep? I used to struggle with sleep too. I think it stems back from my childhood when I suffered from year-long allergies and had to sit up in my bed all night congested just trying to breathe while watching my brothers all around me sleeping the night away. And as I got older, late-night work sessions because I always seemed more productive at night when everyone else was sleeping. I knew I needed to get more rest, and my wife always bugged me about us sharing the same bedtime. And once I committed to a consistent bedtime routine, the difference was night and day. I started waking up feeling more refreshed. My mood improved, and I noticed a boost in my energy levels throughout the day. Sleep isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. And with the right habits, you can achieve both. So, my friend, prioritize your sleep. Create a bedtime routine that works for you. Limit screen time before bed and make your bedroom a sanctuary for rest. With a few simple changes, you can start catching those Z's like a pro and wake up ready to take on the world. Thanks for spending this time with me. Remember, it's the little moments of gratitude, kindness, and reflection that make life truly beautiful. If you want to share your thoughts or just say hi, you can reach me on social media at thatbassvoice or send me an email at chatswithgp@gmail.com. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep finding the joy in every day. From my heart to yours, keep thriving.